Now we will be administering subtest 19, academic knowledge. We will first begin with science. I'm going to ask you a few questions and answer to the best of your ability.
Okay.
What does non-communicable disease mean?
Not contagious.
Next question. One characteristic of mammals is that the babies are nursed by their mother. What is another characteristic of animals classified as mammals?
Babies are born live.
Next question. What are the male bees called?
Drones.
Good. Next question. Why would a man at the North Pole weigh more than he would at the equator?
Because he's Santa Claus.
Okay. Next question. Why is fluoride used in water?
For vitamins.
Okay. Flip to the next page. Next question. Which element has an atomic number that is almost equal to its atomic weight?
Water. H2O.
Okay. Okay. That concludes our portion in the science. We're going to move on to social studies now.
Okay.
Again, I'm going to ask you a few questions and just answer to the best of your ability.
Okay.
Here we go. In a period of inflation, what happens to the prices of goods and services available?
Basically prices go up.
Okay. Which country borders the United States on the north, and which country borders the United States on the south?
On the north is Canada, and on the south is Mexico.
Our next question. The executive department of the United States government is responsible for enforcing the law. What is the legislative department more concerned with?
Making the laws.
Our next question, right here. Why would people whose only source of income is Social Security be hurt by an inflationary period?
Inflationary?
Inflationary period.
Well, I believe that because the prices because it goes down, and yeah, that's why.
Moving on to the next page.
Okay.
Why did the Pony Express end?
I don't know what the Pony Express is. Sorry.
Next question. What is the major difference between these two groups of people in their approach to social problems? Gandhi, Christ, and Martin Luther King as compared to Joan of Arc and Lenin.
The difference, well, I thought Lenin was four-piece, and Joan of Arc I know was a fighter, but I don't know what the difference is. I think they're all four-piece.
Okay. That concludes this portion on social studies, and now we're going to move on to humanities.
Okay.
Okay. Just like before,
Okay.
I'm just going to ask you a series of questions and just answer to the best of your ability. How are secondary or binary colors obtained?
You gotta mix the primary colors.
Next question. How does dialogue differ from narrative?
I would say that dialogue is conversation, and narrative is a story.
Okay. Next question. What is a bard?
I want to say it's a poet.
Next question. In what country was Hans Christian Andersen born?
I don't know. I don't even know who that is.
It's okay. Okay. Our next question. What movement in art do the paintings of Claude Monet and Pierre Auguste represent?
Musical period.
Okay. Next question. What interval is shown by these two notes?
Interval. I think. Is it an A note? A note.
Thank you very much. That concludes this portion of our test.
Okay.